Hello everybody, this is Elena Spicer and I thought I would film another process video working in my junk journal that I recently started. So this one is in just a mixed media spiral bound notebook, and I made a couple pages of camera. This is sort of my title page. I still want to do something with the cover inside, both outside and inside cover, but this one has a sweet little note that opens up. Is just holding on with a piece of paper, and I like to say when and where I start my journal, so I have that, some pressed flowers, and then you saw me create this spread on camera, and then I did this one as well, and this one was also on the same day when I went to the same cemetery and looked at Bob Iver's grave. I also looked at found some graves of some of the pioneers, local pioneers. So I'm just going to I just have some stuff I collected, like the food wrapper, or not wrapper, the bag from Wendy's, a couple photos I printed, a sticker from Mod Pizza. So that's what I was going to just put in my journal today, and I thought I was going to attach this tissue paper as my very bottom layer. I think it kind of matches the spring vibe with all the flowers blooming right now, the cherry trees and the apple trees in our area. So this was still on the same day that Sunday last week when I went and did a little cemetery tour. So all of this is from the same weekend, and we have an arboretum here in town, and so I stopped there as well, and crab apple trees were in bloom, so that was really nice to be able to catch that. It's a really nice arboretum, so if you're ever visiting, it's a nice place to stop, even when the trees are not in bloom. I was actually surprised when I moved here that there was an arboretum, and it's quite large. The reason I was surprised just because it's a high desert area here, and I wasn't expecting Yakima to be so green before I started coming here. I think I will need to buy more glue. This one is kind of giving me a hard time lately, trying to get it out of the bottle. But it's almost Friday, so happy Friday, or maybe when you're watching this it's already Friday. So that's nice. I'm looking forward to this weekend, and I'm hoping to go on another adventure again, and if I do, I'm sure there'll be some ephemera or some junk I collect so I can make even more pages. It's definitely such a fun hobby to have, and I really enjoy it. So I'm just going to put it up here, kind of layering things down. And then, let's see, then I was thinking about maybe keeping this on the top, keeping this closer to the bottom. And then I have also this boiling soda label that I just, I use the trick. I don't remember where I learned it anymore. I think I just read about it when I was searching on how to remove labels from bottles, and I did the method where you peel off, or not peel off, you boil water and then you put boiling water inside the bottle for and just leave it there for a little while, and then these labels peel off really nicely. So I'm just going to add some glue because it's not as sticky. These ones are not as sticky, so you can't re-stick them easily, but there are some other labels where you can re-stick them quite easily, so it just really depends. But I think when I do something in journals like this, I'd often just use just your basic clear packing tape to reinforce things. And since this is not like, you know, fine art piece that I'm expecting to last forever, I mean, I would love for it to last for quite a while, but I'm not worried about tape damaging anything really, because again, and then I just went and had coffee, and I got the Cinnabon rolls at Wendy's. I was gonna see if I can save, yeah, this sticker as well. And then later that day I went to Mod Pizza and had pizza for dinner, which is not something I do very often, like have fast food twice on the same day, but it was just a weekly treat that day. Yeah, I think this looks good, and the blue matches the blue in the ribbons and in the photos as well. This one is bothering me a little bit, but I don't want to stick tape before I see if there's anything else I'm going to do, because once you stick the tape over, then of course you can't write over it, or you can't glue everything. But I also have this hole punch that is like a confetti hole punch, and it punches these little flowers, and I already punched some, and I was just going to maybe sprinkle them around the page, and then I'm not sure how I want to glue them, or maybe I want to tape them on. So either put a little bit of glue on the bottom of each flower, or do I want to tape them on? So I'm still thinking about that. And I was going to do a few more pieces, but it might look cool just like that. There's one more piece right here, so I might use the tape and just tape them on right here, and this will also give me a chance to tape this sticker on. I think I like it this way, so I'm gonna try it. And I got it on Amazon. It's an older punch, but I still was able to find it on Amazon. No, I like this trick with tape. The only thing is it does get staticky, so you kind of can't be too attached to like the place where you want to put it, because it's definitely movable. And then I just thought I'll maybe punch one more set of these, and it punches really well. There's one still stuck in there. Okay, there we go. And also I got this colored vellum on Amazon as well. Must have had a little bit of glue somewhere still. So maybe I'll just add them all around here. And this way I'm able to reinforce it with tape. both the label, and it works both for the label and for these pieces. So I think I'll just, yeah, it's I was hesitant to use tape for a while just because I was worried about like the effect of having the tape for a long time, but I think kind of not worried about it anymore, and it's so convenient, and the packing tape doesn't show up. It's pretty clear and it doesn't show up, so it's really convenient to use it. And once in a while it bunches up, but that's okay. That's not a bad look. It's actually more fun to have some texture. And then I'll do this last, I'll do one more. And I was thinking this particular spiral binding, it says you can remove the pages, and it does look like you would be able to remove them easily, and so that would actually be, excuse me, I had a little coughing attack, so I had to stop the video for a moment, but I think I was saying that you can actually take these pages out and then put them back in. So I could even do stitching here if I wanted to. I think probably try it on one of some of on some of the pages later, but looks like that's something, that's a possibility with these spiral, or with this particular kind of the spiral bound journal. So I have I think everything I wanted attached except the photos, so I'll go ahead and do that. And I think I will just use a double-sided tape for these. And I do have an Instax camera that someone gave me a while back, but I just found that it's kind of hard to take photos. Well, it's not hard, it's just that they don't always turn out that great. They turn out darker, at least for me, even though I'm trying to adjust the settings. And so I bought an Instax printer excuse me, after some time, and that works really great. So you just download an app on your phone, and then you can print photos either from your regular phone, or these are taken with just like my regular point and shoot camera, because I do prefer a camera versus just phone photos, but I do take both. But these ones happens to be on my, taken with my regular camera, and then I downloaded them to my phone and then printed them this way on the Instax printer. So I like doing that, and I really like the little mini Polaroid look for the photos. So if that's something you haven't tried yet using, oh, here comes my cat. Let's see if she makes it all the way here. Yeah, there she comes. I'm a new cat owner. I haven't had a cat as a pet before, so I'm really enjoying her. So oh, I think she's interested in some of that leafy trim I have used in my previous journal. Let me grab her so I can continue. Come here, Chestnut. Oh, I know. You're such a good girl. Alright, so I think I'm done. I think I was considering using this rubber stamp, but I completely forgot. I'm not sure if I can fit it, because I kind of like things to interact on my page, so I don't one, well, maybe right here it would still work, especially where, yeah, maybe, let me try it right here. I wish I stamped it before and then maybe had the photos going over it, just for more interest, but maybe right here. Yeah, that works too. I'm having a little bit of a struggle filming today, having a coughing fit and my cat coming, and then my battery died, but luckily you just saw me stamp this part, and then that's when my camera stopped filming, but I noticed it right away, so I was able to recharge it. But I'm pretty much done. While I was waiting for my camera to charge, the only thing I just wrote down: Wendy's for breakfast, Maud for dinner, and then Yakima Area Arboretum. And then I stamped the date of when all this happened. So this is how my final page looks. Thank you very much for watching my video and being here for the process. Let me know if you do junk journaling like this, and I would love to see your pages again, whether you post them on Instagram or here on YouTube. Again, I'm going on another adventure this weekend, so I'm really excited to collect some things, you know, life of a junk journaler. And then if I create another spread, I'll be sure to do it on camera. Have a really great weekend. Thank you again for watching. Bye.